Hey guys, so I am here with another video. This is going to be my first set of press-on nails. So with this one, I used the Mia Secret Builder Gel in the tan color, and I have prepped these nails about a month ago. I just had them, I just didn't know what to do with it. On this one, I'm actually fixing a little dent that I had made in it by mistake, and I just never fixed it, so I'm getting to that now. But this is basically my first set I've ever done. I talk a lot about how I feel about this set and everything at the very end. The talking starts at 10:54. At 10 minutes and 54 minutes in. This is a little longer video. I was very excited about this set and how it came out. I just kind of went with it. I was figuring it out while I was recording. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna try to put down everything I have down below. Here I'm showing you the Her Mannerisms Lucid Dream Loose Pigment Palette. I'm going to be using two of these pigments in this set to do the design look that I'm looking for. So I'm going to be using two of the shades. One is a gold and one is a silver. I did just show some of the colors, or I think I showed all of them, I'm not sure.
Okay, so you guys know already that I don't really use long nails, but I do love them as like press-ons, things like that. So, oh my god. So one, like I told you before, for some reason, I just don't like this color. I don't know why. Like, it's a nice color, but for some reason, I just don't like the way it looks on me. I don't know. Please tell me what you guys think. This is the color that I used on these tips. And this is the final look. So I am not used to a long nail. So mind you, these nails, I already did these. I have prepped them before. That's why you see them that they were already prepped. So I prepped these a long time ago, like I would say like a month or so ago, and I just didn't know what to do with them. So like even recording this video, I didn't know what to do. See, I don't know. This is actually my very first set. Like I said, my first set of press-ons, which I really want to do press-ons, but these I think are like, I don't know. They're like too bulky for me. They do have the whole builder gel, so this is like, it would be you getting a real set. Like, it's not just the nail and just the design or something on top like I see regular press-on nails that are being done. So this is like the whole thing. If I zoom out and then I can zoom in on my so if you can see that. So I, like right now I'm recording and it's like 10 o'clock at night. So I didn't know what to do with this set, honestly. And then I started thinking of this shell, like seashell type design that I saw them do with the builder gel, and that's what I was gonna go for. And then I was like, yeah, that's not happening. Like, they made it look so smooth. I'm gonna see if I can find the TikTok video or the little video that I saw on it and see. And then I was like, you know what, let me start making them look like veins or like vines or something. Like, let me just try that out. Let me loop it around. I just wanted to use the loose pigments that I had from the Mannerisms set. I bought this a long time ago. So I said, let me just try this. And then I saw that they looked like like butterfly webs or something. Something like, I don't know, like the veins of the butterfly. Like if you look inside the wings of the butterfly like this, and you know, if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with butterflies. So that's why I ended up just putting the butterfly stickers on there. And then I saw that it looked so plain, so I said let me go in with some gold and silver foil and mix it. I love this gold. Like, do you see that gold? Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Oh my god, this is like so pretty. I just love that gold and that silver. The silver didn't come out as good as I wanted it to, but that gold, oh my god, I am in love with that gold.
Yeah, I kind of had fun with this. I kind of put everything together as I was recording. So, I don't know. I like it, and I'm kind of like, I don't know if this looks good. Like, let me know what you think.
If you haven't seen some of my other videos, I will link it here somewhere so you guys can see. And let me know what you guys think about this. Head over to my All About Nails playlist so you can see all my videos all about nails. If you want to see makeup, I do have a playlist all about makeup. I will be coming out with some other makeup looks. I want to do some like makeup nail matching looks. Let me know what you guys think about that. And that's it. This is the final look.